Hi friends, welcome to Pixie Pantry. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive the notifications of my new upcoming videos. Also, do like the video if you find my recipe interesting. So, let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Snake Gourd Majjige Huli, that is Buttermilk Sambar. To a heated pan, add about 2–2.5 spoons of homemade ghee and wait for it to heat up. Now let's add my secret ingredient fenugreek. Add about half spoon of fenugreek, and to the same pan add about half a spoon of mustard. Wait for the mustard to splutter a little. And then add about half a spoon of asafoetida, commonly known as hing. I'm adding one medium-sized snake gourd which is peeled and chopped. Saute it a little bit so that the tempering is mixed evenly with the snake gourd thoroughly. Add some water for the snake gourd to cook. Add about 3/4 spoon of rock salt. And give it a good mix. We're going to close the lid and cook the snake gourd for about 5 to 8 minutes on high flame. In the meantime, let's prepare the masala for the Majjige Huli. I'm adding about 1 spoon of jeera to a mixer, a big bunch of coriander, 4 green chilies. You can add more chilies if you want your Majjige Huli to be spicy. Also, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Add half a cup of gram flour, that is besan, and some water so that you can grind it into a fine paste. You can add more water as required while grinding. The consistency should be that of like a chutney. You can see that I have changed the jar over here to a bigger one because the previous one was a little small. Now I'm adding half a cup of curd. Grind it into a fine paste and keep it aside. Let's see how the snake gourd has been cooking. I can see that the snake gourd has been cooked perfectly. Looks rich and soft. Now I'm going to add the masala mix that we had prepared initially. Give it a good stir. I'm adding another tablespoon of rock salt. You can add the salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix again. Now I'm adding 10 to 12 curry leaves and mix it well. Adding curry leaves enhances its flavor. The Majjige Huli looks to be a little thick, so I'm adding about half a cup of water. Let's close the lid and cook. We've cooked the Majjige Huli on medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes now. We got a good boil there. It smells so delicious that I really can't wait to taste it. I'm going to transfer some of it into a serving bowl. There's a summer special Majjige Huli, which is absolutely delicious. You can try this with some piping hot rice or chapatis or rotis. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments how it has turned out for you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you very much.